Do you specialize in fixing ceilings, PVC, POP, all kinds of ceilings? Do you know that what you possess is a very rare skill? I mean, like really, in this country, there are very few people who can fix ceilings and do a great job at it. I know that before now, you've done quite a lot of work, amazing work you're proud of, and you've had to rely on the clients that you've done works for to refer you to new clients. However, there is a student near you who needs a ceiling engineer to fix the ceiling in his lodge. Or maybe there's a new couple who just moved into a new apartment and they need to redo the ceilings in the apartment and they need someone who can do that for them. Imagine if they had direct access to you and they could invite you to come and do this work for them right now. You'll probably be counting a lot of money very soon. So here is a suggestion for you. Apply it to AtYourService.Ng. Prove to us that you're a great ceiling engineer and then leave us to worry about bringing you clients. You could earn a lot more money from your skills. So what are you waiting for?